Welcome to the CRM settings. Basically, in this section, you can create your custom properties or edit an existing one that you have. You already have these ones that are pre-built, so you cannot really modify them. They are system properties. So basically, these are properties that you will see when you're building a form, for example. So they're all associated with the contact. So as you know, a contact can have the default one, which are again the system ones, but you can add more properties that you want to collect and even showcase here in your CRM itself that you can show for the users. So this, if you want to create your own custom properties that are associated with your users, that's what you do from the settings, from the custom properties. So like in this case, we have the lead status, which is something that you can fully modify. Again, it is added by default, but you can add your properties again there, your values, your lists. So you can create different properties yourself as well. So let's say we want to collect, I don't know, what kind of properties do we have? Let's say that we want to collect age. Age is very important for our CRM, so for some reason. So let's go here and let's go with age. Age. So this will be a property that you can add a description if you wish. Let's say that it is a number because it can only be a number, but you have different options such as true or false. If you want it to be a date, an email, a list of different options. So you have these field types, but for the sake of the example, because it's an age, it will be a number. And you have the ability to have it in the forms. So this is important. So if you want to collect this property, you want values when somebody fills a form to actually this value to be associated with the contact, you have to use this property in the form. So click on Save Property, and that will now create the age at the bottom. So it's a number. So yeah, this is it. This is how you create an age property. So when you go to the contacts now, we'll see that Sarah, now the demo one, you have the age at the bottom. So this is how you create properties, and all of them will be listed at the bottom as options. And of course, if you want to show the age here, you can just select it. It will show as part of the columns. So this way you can organize your properties easily from here, and I'll show you in a moment how you can use them in a form. The other thing you can manage is the tags. This particular moment we don't have any tags, but let's create a new one. Let's go with maybe seniors. And you have this tag, so you can tag all the users who are seniors with this tag, for example. View all the users that are being tagged with this tag. So you can create different tags this way, or you can also create tags from here. So when you add a tag, you can just create a new one. We can assign the senior to this person, create a new tag, like I said, if you wish. And this is for organizational purposes that you can do in the settings. And the membership settings, this is for the membership itself. If you want to allow registration for membership, member approval, notification, and to which group you want to assign to people when they're signing up for your membership area. This is the member registration for your site or funnel, if you want to modify these settings. So how do you use the custom properties, which is very important if you want to collect this data from your website. So when you have a page, let's go to a page that we collect information, let's say appointment, and this we have a form. So now in the form, when you edit it and when you create a new field for your form, of course you'll see all the properties first, all the ones that you have by default, and at the bottom you have the age. So now if you want to collect and associate the age with the actual customer, you just add as a property, because if you add it as a normal text field, it won't be associated with the age property itself. You can still create different fields, but this will not be, again, you'll collect this information, you will store it, you have it, but it will not be as a property of the user itself. So if you wanted really to have it as part of their profile, just make sure that you create them as a property first, and then added to the form itself. And this is it. This is how you set up your custom properties, manage your tags, of course. Now we can click on view and you will see Sarah because it's already tagged with it, and the membership settings. This is it. Very simple and easy, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.